Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the bone charms in Fish It new update. So the new Fish It update is finally here and everyone is now talking about the bone charms. If you see on the updates info, there's this charms that appeared in Lost Isle and also the Ancient Jungle. And in here, the charm can be used to boost odds on getting a certain secret fish. Here I'm going to show you the bone charm. So the bone charm is located in the Ancient Jungle, and I'm going to show you the exact location where you can find it or get it. Here I've already in front of the sacred temple. So the bone charm is located inside the sacred temple. So you can just go inside in here, and near the entrance, you'll see at the on the right side in here, there will be this bone charms that you can buy or purchase for 70k coins. So if you want to get it, you can just purchase it in here. Tap on yes to confirm, and just like that, now you'll get the bone charms, this one. So you can get up to 50 uses and the level is 100, the luck is 0, but you can use it to have more chance to get a bone whale secret fish. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.